Hi friends, this video shows how to change permissions of an app. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to apps, select see all apps. You can see all apps installed in this device. From this list, let me select one app. Let me select this gallery app. Go down, set permissions. Here you can see permissions of this gallery app. See, this gallery app can access files. It can access music and audio files. It can also access photos and videos. But this gallery app cannot access camera. Contacts also it cannot access, location, microphone, etc. If you want to allow this gallery app to access microphone, set microphone, and here you can allow, select allow, done. Then go back, see. So this way we can change permissions of an app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.